In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in ChatGPT. If you prefer to use ChatGPT in a different language, the setting is quick to find and takes just a moment to adjust. Start by opening ChatGPT. Look toward the bottom left corner of the screen, where you'll see your profile icon. This is the small avatar or initial that opens your account menu. Click that profile icon to open the menu. In the menu that appears, choose Settings. This opens a panel where you can control how ChatGPT looks and behaves. Inside Settings, make sure you're viewing the General section. General includes options that affect the overall interface, including the language used throughout the app. Within General, find the Language option. You'll see a drop-down control next to it. Click the drop-down to reveal the list of available languages. Scroll through the list and select the language you want to use. As soon as you pick a language, ChatGPT updates the interface to match your selection. Menus, buttons, and system messages switch to the new language right away, so you can continue using the app without any extra confirmation. A quick note on what this changes. The language setting controls the application interface. That means the labels you see and the navigation text will appear in the language you selected. Your conversations themselves can be in any language you choose. If you want ChatGPT to respond in that same language, simply write your prompts in it or mention your preference in your message. Availability can vary by region and app version, so the list you see might be slightly different from someone else's. Some languages may display a localized date or formatting style, and right-to-left languages are supported with appropriate layout adjustments. Your choice is remembered the next time you open ChatGPT, so you won't need to set it again each session. That's all there is to it. To recap in plain terms, open your profile menu, go to Settings, head to General, open the Language dropdown, and pick the language you want. Once you've done that, you're ready to use ChatGPT in the interface language that feels most comfortable for you. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped you, consider checking out more tutorials for quick tips like this one, and enjoy using ChatGPT in the language you prefer.